Hi, in this video I want to show you how I clean the barrel of my rifles. Here are the tools that I need to do this. We have here an adjustable bore saver rod guide. Then I have a brush for the action, some patches and a rod for the patches and a rod with a bronze brush. And I use Shooter's Choice Aqua Clean barrel cleaner. First thing I do is I go into the action. Twist it. And I cleaned the rifle with a bore snake on the range, and you see it is still dirty. I do this until the dirt isn't on the roll. The next thing I did is I put in the bore saver rod guide. I put it straight in the barrel, in the chamber, and this part makes sure that no dirt gets in the chamber. Then I take a patch and put some Shooter's Choice Aqua Cleaner on it. And I put the patch on the rod. This is how the patch looks on my rod. And I put it in the rod guide. And now I go through the barrel. And I go back and forward. I've done this several times, and this is how the patch looks when it comes out. I still use the same patch with the other side and go through the barrel again. I've done this without the video. If you go back with the rod, the patch will fall down like this. Next thing is I use the rod with the bronze brush, and it is important that you always go through the whole barrel and then back and out of the barrel. Don't turn around with your movement in the barrel. And always be sure that you go the whole way out and the whole way back. You can turn around when you are in the rod guide and move forward. I do this about 20 times, and I'm really sorry that I can't show you this in the video, but my camera is too bad for that. But I think you got what I meant. After I have gone through the barrel with the brush, I use a new patch, put it on my rod and put it through the barrel. And this is how the new patch looks after the first go through. Just remember, I have cleaned the barrel with a bore snake before. Second patch, a bit cleaner. Third patch. Third patch, turn around. And here we have patch number 4, and the barrel is clean again. So, this was my video about cleaning my barrel. I use this cleaning method for all of my rifles. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.